Today this unit very good. Second level, walk up the staircase. Okay, you will get to the unit already. What I like about this unit is okay, when I walk up okay, first unit on the left, right, okay, is our another neighbor's one. The next unit will be the unit that we'll be selling. Okay, and this is the unit that why I say is good. Okay, people coming to level 2, right? Okay, once you walk up from the stairs, right, you'll be the only owner that will walk past to your unit. Okay, for the other neighbors over at the other side, they will use the staircase over at the other end. Okay, so this is a very private corridor unit that I think you shouldn't miss. Come, follow me. Today I got a 4-room flat at block 139 Jalan Bukit Merah to show you. Come, as we enter this area, right, you can see this is a longish layout. Alright, this is where the whole living room space is. Okay, you can have your guests all coming in here, lounge together. Okay, this is very cozy living room space. Okay, maybe let me show you the bedrooms first. Okay, the first bedroom. Okay, for this owner, this bedroom, right, is more of their personal stuff. Okay, they have their pets, hamsters, or piano over here. So this room is very spacious. Easily can put a queen size bed, or you still have ample space to put your stuff. Come have a look at the view outside the window. Okay, we are on a low floor. Okay, but the beauty about this unit is even though we are on a low floor, our view outside is all greenery. Okay, very breezy. Okay, and there's a first comes with an aircon. Alright, okay, let me show you the other bedroom. Okay, same facing. Okay, for this bedroom is more clearer for you. This is a queen size bed. Okay, on my right, this is a queen size bed and there's a study table. So it's very spacious. Okay, you can do your own wardrobe. Alright, same facing, you can have a look. So it's practically you have your own private area. Okay, nobody is going to look into your unit. Okay, even though we are on the low floor. Okay, come. Let me show you the master. Okay, this is the master as you enter. Okay, this is where they put their king size bed, and there's a wardrobe over here on my left. Okay, you can have a look. So full height wardrobe space. Okay, for the adjoining bathroom, right? Go in and have a look. It's a very nicely done up master bathroom. Okay, everything is done up nicely. Okay, and the view from the windows is the same. Okay, looking out, we have a good greenery view. Alright, okay, come follow me. Let me show you the kitchen area. So slightly before we enter the kitchen, right, there's this space over here. Okay, there's this space over here can be your dining area as well. Okay, so when you cook, you can just bring out your food, and this can be your dining area. Okay, come have a look at the kitchen. Okay, top and bottom L-shaped kitchen. Okay, flooring all is nicely done up. The colors are all very nice. Okay, and what I like about this unit is this laundry area. Okay, can put a washer, dryer stacked up. Okay, then you can hang your clothes here. Okay, same facing, very good breeze. And have a look at the common bath. Okay, already done up. So all this very nicely done. Okay, no worries about any seepages. Alright. And this kitchen door is actually by this glass panel over here. So this is how they close it up when they are doing heavy cooking. Okay. So if you would like to see more, okay, do leave us a comment below, and I will see you again. Okay, bye.